You got that potion, baby. Oh yeah, tryna take you to the ocean, baby. Can you swim? Cause you the type I like. You the type I like. Take on the mama. Don't bring me no drama. Brown skin with the waves. I wonder how you gon' be. What you gon'
Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I make content based off of self-improvement, fitness, and I blog. So if any of those things interest you, don't hesitate to hit the subscribe button down below. So I'm here today helping my sister-in-law out with her back to school supply drive giveaway. So yeah, stay tuned.
With our school supply giveaway. We are definitely excited to just be giving back to the community in any capacity that we can. We were fortunate to get a lot of donations last weekend to where we could have this event. So yeah, we look forward to seeing everyone out here, and it's a little hot. The sun came out.
Yes.
Still making it do.
Hey. But yes, it's definitely hot out here. But I'm still excited to be able to be a part of something that is great that my sister-in-law is doing with the Precious Birdsong Family Foundation. So yes, I'm out here in the hot sun helping the community.
I saw me a long time, but I'm back.
You back.
It's just 4:13.
This is 4:13.
We're not gonna make it far. We got how many bags left, Leah?
I ain't mad at it at all.
Maybe 15, 20 bags out of like 80, and it's just 13 after. We ain't gonna make it far.
I ain't mad at it at all. At all. It's so hot.
Job done. Job done. Are you hot, Kiara? Are you okay?
I don't know.
Are you a party pooper?
I ain't no party pooper.
You a party pooper.
No.
Ari just booed you.
I've been to party. She can't boo nobody.
Ari booed you.
I done enough work.
Kiara done tapped out.
You.
Tapped out.
I'm out.
We are officially out of bags. We just have backpacks left. There's 6 left, so if that tells you anything, it's just 4:34. So yeah. Hi, it's Precious Birdsong here with the Precious Birdsong Family Foundation. We are out at Brainerd High School with the Back to School Bash, giving away school supplies. There's a lot of great vendors and a lot of great organizations that are here, and we are fortunate to be one of them. So we're definitely excited to just be making an impact within the Chattanooga community. And I believe that starts with the kids. So we're here. This is day 2 for us this weekend. We were out yesterday. We're doing it again today. So yeah, it's a little hot, but you know, we're here.
I'm sorry, start over.
Sorry. Hi, Precious Birdsong here with the Precious Birdsong Family Foundation. We are here at the. Sorry.